Got it here, Yeti Survival Kit. I cannot believe it, I found it. And the actual sticker over here, it's not just a sticker, it's an indent over here. So definitely not fake. Look at this opener. Wow, that's awesome. So what we got here? Wow, look at it. The containers over here. We got it here, goggles. Air vision goggles. So this is for 3 people. Or more goggles. We'll have to open one up just to figure it out what kind of goggles are those. Oh wow, really nice high quality goggles. Kind of like snowboarding goggles. I mean, not super expensive. I would say on the cheaper end. Looks like 4 of this. It's for 4 people. This is just a water jug. Okay, for 4 people. Air filter mask. Let's see what kind of mask we got here. Okay, one of these, and it comes with this attachments. You know, it's funny, when I went to Disney, Disney said this kind of masks were not allowed, so they were saying they're not good. There's some kind of water pouch, filtration system, I think. Then what? Emergency ration. This is a little cookies right here. I have had them before. They're pretty disgusting. So yeah, you just have to eat it to survive. This is a last resort, not to enjoy yourself. There's a Yeti compartment. It tells you how to set it up. You see there's air vision, water, food, power, warmth, fire aid, first aid tools. Okay, let's keep on going. This little thing so it doesn't go bad. Water filter, there you go. Those are the bags and this is a water filter. It's one of those, you know, like a store water filter type of water filter. I do like this right here, divider. They give us a sticker. Flashlight with batteries, that's nice. A zoomable flashlight, like what, $15 probably for that flashlight. So what I see, all the tools is they put their own logo on it, but it is really cheapest tools you can find on Amazon, like cheapest flashlights. The Yeti obviously is pretty expensive, but it's definitely not a cooler. It's more like just like a box, Yeti box. So would have been cooler if it was actual cooler, but that's okay. So Yeti also make a storage. This is really nice first aid kit over here. That's actually quite nice. I'm impressed by that. And look, they put their logos on it. There's gloves, like $12 each. This is super cheap gardening gloves, but they also keeps you warm, looks like. Okay, knives. Their own brand, hefty. Let's see the balance is, good balance. But again, it's a piece of steel. I don't know. This is like a $15 knife again. Nothing super expensive in this kit. So the markup for them to build up this kit is really good. Even the matches, you know, there is a UCO matches, there is a Zippo matches. This one looks like UCO matches. It's except a little smaller, so they just hire a company to do their own matches. I do like that ones. They're waterproof storm matches. Oh wow, look, there's a zipper on top over here. Multi-tool, cool. Power cord, 100 feet, 550, so that's nice for camping and things like that. What is this? Duct tape. That's a unique roll of duct tape, so that way it doesn't take too much space. Looks like a multi-tool shovel, like a military style. A radio. Yep, just rechargeable batteries. One of those really cheap radios. They're like $20-something maybe. Okay, there is other stuff in here. Does this whole thing come off? No, it kind of stays together. So we got right here wipes, sunscreen, More wipes. So there's like glamping items over here. Glow sticks. More glow sticks. And there's the 4 pouches emergency blankets. It's really big blankets. Let's open it up. See what kind it is. Oh my gosh. They have stocked up these cheap blankets in there. A whole bunch of them. But I mean, they're kind of cool for emergency. So looks like this is a hat. 4 hats. That's cool. I can't believe it. They put clothes in here to keep yourself warm. And a survival tents. I have reviewed those. They're hilarious. They're really small. And that's it. Honestly, out of this whole thing, I honestly love the packaging more than anything. So yeah, maybe I'll keep the packaging and build my own survival kit. They charge $700 for it, plus tax, plus shipping. I don't know. Probably gonna fill it up with really good tools instead. Definitely not putting sunscreen in my survival kit. All you have to do is just grab a hat and cover yourself up with clothes. Sunscreen is not even good for you. So yeah, a little bit disappointed with the survival kit, but I really do love the casing. Let me know in comments below though. Very unique. It's a use force to close it. Love the casing, Yeti casing. But yeah, let me know in comments below. Would you put all these items back in for 4 people? I'd rather build a survival kit for 1 person for the truck with that box. But yeah, it's still pretty cool. Let me know in comments below what do you think.